It's early May, and we're out making foliar passes on wheat. We're between Feekes 10 and 10.5, a narrow window where the yield is mostly set, but we can still influence grain protein content, which is a major quality factor, especially for milling. We're focusing this pass on nutrient support, plant metabolism, and microbial activity, all to help the plant move nutrients into the grain more efficiently. Today, we're running a full spectrum of products, each one with a specific role. First up is NitroHume. It's a carbon-stabilized nitrogen source. At this stage, it won't increase yield, but it can significantly raise protein levels. Next is BAC, our microbial blend. It supports nutrient cycling and keeps foliar pathways active. Then we've got Ca9%, a highly available form of calcium. It helps strengthen cells and moves other nutrients, especially boron and potassium. We're also adding B4, a boron supplement. Boron plays a key role in sugar movement and flowering. Microsynth is in the tank to top off important trace minerals like zinc, manganese, and copper. These are critical cofactors in grain protein synthesis. To help the plant manage stress, we're including TriKelp. It delivers natural hormones like cytokinins and auxins to support reproductive metabolism. There's also DiaLife, a stabilized silica. It reinforces plant structure, improves tolerance to disease, and helps with grain fill. And finally, we're using fulvic acid. It improves foliar absorption and helps chelate nutrients into the plant more efficiently. We're running 20 gallons per acre through flat fans. That volume helps get good coverage across the top 2 leaves, which are driving most of the plant's photosynthesis at this stage. The upper canopy is where protein is built. These leaves collect sunlight, move sugars, and supply nutrients into the developing grain. If they're compromised, grain fill and protein both suffer. This pass is about fine-tuning, not fixing. It's small amounts of the right inputs at the right time to influence grain quality and finish clean. Good protein doesn't come from hammering on late nitrogen alone. It comes from balancing nutrition, activating biology, and supporting the plant's own systems so it can do the work. If you're growing for quality, this stage can make or break your results. Learn to read the crop, respond with purpose, and support the system, not just feed it. For more info on these products or building a foliar strategy, head over to agribiosystems.com or drop us a message. Thanks for watching.